Hello guys, so andito ako ngayon sa my open space. So as you can see, this is the pineapple plantation dito sa Polomolok, South Cotabato. And I want to try the quick shots of DJI Mini 2 SE. So bale yung mga quick shots na yun, those are the templates kumbaga na binibigay ng drone. And we have the Droney, so itatry ko yan later. We have also the circle, we have the rocket, we have the helix, and the last one is the boomerang. So lahat na yun itatry natin. And make sure before you can use your drone, kailangan you are connected to the DJI Fly na application. I already turned on my drone. Ito siya. So this one. So we need to make sure that the cover should be removed. Ito lang yung mga kailangan natin for the test. And we need to find a flat space dito sa field. Okay. So, una-una rin gawin is to try the Droney first. But before that, we need to take off the aircraft. Nang sa ganun, masubukan natin yung mga templates o yung mga quick shots ng DJI Mini 2 SE. Para mag-take off itong drone na to, so kailangan natin i-press ito siya. This one. Then long press lang dito sa take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
So the first one to try is the Droney. Ibaba lang natin konti yung drone natin, then yung gimbal para makita tayo dito sa yan. So make sure lang na naka-center tayo dito banda. To do that one, click lang natin to. Then, nakalagay dito yung photo, video, quick shots, and pano or panoramic. So, select natin yung quick shots. Then, nakaselect na yung Droney by default. So, yan. So, ito yung magagawa ng Droney na feature ng drone na to. So, meron dyang plus na symbol. So, we just need to click that one kasi nalalaman kung ano yung dapat yung focus ng camera natin. And we can select also the distance. So siguro nasa 60 meters para medyo malayo. Then we can now start the Droney feature.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that drone will run for about 60 meters. And pagkatapos nun, babalik siya dito sa home point. And make sure also to check the home point dito sa GPS natin or sa map natin para in case na hindi natin makita yung drone mismo ay babalik mismo dito sa location natin. Okay, so natapos na yung feature na yon, which is the Droney. So pagkatapos ng Droney, we will try the circle command. So click lang natin to ulit. So merong circle dito sa baba. So click that one. So yan yung nagagawa ng circle. The aircraft centers the camera on the subject and circles it at a constant altitude. Gusto kong malaki yung coverage ng circle. So ilalayo ko tong drone na to. Yan, tapos itataas ko konti. Lalayo ko pa. Para malaki yung coverage ng circle natin. So yan. So I need to select the concentration of that camera. So you have the option if you will rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. So let's try this one. That is to the left of the drone, left direction of the drone. So start.
3, 2, 1.
So the drone will slowly turn to the left in a circular motion. Just make sure lang na hindi ka lalayo dito sa center na to para hindi ma-disorient itong drone natin. Kasi nagme-maintain siya ng particular radius from the center. Okay, so yan. So bumalik na siya sa may initial point niya, and that is a circle. And now, ibabalik ko dito sa may malapit na part, itong drone na to. Then ibababa ko konti. So I want to use the rocket feature of this drone. So make sure lang na nasa center tayo. Okay, so click this quick shot, then merong rocket dito. So sa ngayon medyo malakas yung hangin, pero I think kaya lang naman ng drone na to. Yan yung rocket feature. The camera focuses downward on the subject as the aircraft ascends at a rapid speed. Okay, so we need to select the point of concentration niya. O siguro yung motor na yan, or wag, itong sarili ko lang. Yan. Okay, then we can select the altitude. So siguro nasa 60 meters para medyo mataas, and make sure lang walang mga ibon na lumilipad. So we can now start
3,
the rocket
2,
feature
1.
of this DJI Mini 2 SE. See, we are still on the 38 meters altitude. So akit pa siya papunta dun sa 60 meters. Yan. So we've reached the 60 meters, and the drone will just go back sa initial position. Merong ibon kanina. So pagkatapos ng rocket, itatry naman natin yung mga ibang quick shot. So i-move ko siya backward. Okay, hindi lang masyadong malayo. So try natin yung helix. So since maraming mga ibon na lumilipad dito, so we will be trying the helix na hindi masyadong malaki yung radius. So itataas ko lang konti yung drone, then i-move ko siya dito sa may left side para center tayo. Itatry kong i-select itong helix, yan, that is helix. And meron siyang default distance siya nakalagay, 5 meters. Then check muna natin kung merong ibon na lumilipad. So start na natin. So select muna natin yung point of concentration niya. So start na tayo.
3, 2, 1.
So yan yung ginagawa ng helix. While gaining altitude, lumalayo yung radius niya, or lumalaki yung radius niya pabalik dun sa initial point. So I'm making sure na walang mga ibon na pwedeng umatake sa drone natin. So babalik sa initial point itong drone natin. So yan. So that's the helix command or helix feature ng drone. Okay, so the last feature is yung boomerang. I-select lang natin dito. Dito lang tayo sa motor. So click this one, then i-select natin yung boomerang, yan. Move lang natin konti yung drone natin in this direction para naka-center tayo. Then na-select na natin yung boomerang, then the point of concentration ng drone. So yan. So medyo malakas yung hangin ngayon. And before you push the start button, so make sure walang mga obstruction sa paligid or walang mga ibon na lumilipad kasi they might attack our drone. Okay? So let's start now the boomerang.
3, 2, 1.
So magigain siya ng altitude, then bababa naman ulit. So yan yung ginagawa ng boomerang. Yes. So for a cinematic look, i-connect natin yung mga nagawa nating mga shots. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.